easily it goes to 90 plus uphill max throttle. Oh shoot. And sagyad dyan or what? Feel like mo sagyad dyan. Yep. Uy shit. Oh shoot, grabe. Uy. Oh. Ooh. Fuck. Alright guys, last time we test ridden the latte. Alright, okay. We test ridden the 450 MT. Right now we'll test ride the Lambretta 300cc motorcycle scooter. So we have here the X300 Special. 300? 300 mo ni? Kani yung yatag? Kanina puti, para chewy po ng puti.
Oh, kare?
Same naman, di ba? Para mas chewy mo ng puti, kailangan ko puti. Kani special. Kani ka special. Harit special. So guys, on lid. Oh, what's this? Ignition. Wala nang on. So there's modes. I don't know what's the modes, guys, but it has a mode. What's that mode? What's that mode niya? Shout out to Bruce.
Odo og yung trip lang.
Okay. I thought sports mode or what.
High and low.
High and low beam. Okay.
Signal light. Mode auto.
Alright. Hazard.
Wala. Hazard is sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, shout out to Bruce, Visayas Moto Hub. Yes sir. Okay, guys, 300cc. Let's try it. It's my first time. I've owned some scooters before. Right now I have ADV, Honda Beat, Aerox. This is my first time riding a 300cc. Throttle wise, it feels really nice. Yeah. And wow, dili siya digital. I mean, I digital, but na I what do you call that? Loading on brain. Musta man? Munsa na? Baylo mo? Same naman. So right guys, we just went to Manggahan and we'll go up again. So, naputol yung video kanina, not sure why, but this bike is not really made for banking. When you turn, medyo muano dyan siya ang manobela, musukol, especially when you're putting front brake pressure. Muano siya, musukol siya inigliko if you put front brake pressure. And with this bike, it doesn't feel fast right away. Even though I'm already running at 100, it doesn't feel fast. Like you can bull out. Like right now, I'm already 90, and it doesn't feel like we're at 90. Like here, lisod siya iliko. while trail braking. But since this is a 300cc, you can go up quick. Now most bikes, most scooters will have a hard time. Karon nag-80 ta. This is uphill. 90. Lakas din, lakas din. Trail braking with this one, medyo ano siya, lisod kay musukol ang manubela. But while naka-throttle and ano ka, liko okay ra? Feels okay? Oh shoot, I keep hearing something scraping. But one thing I really noticed right away with this scooter, it feels premium, the throttle. Throttle feels nice. So we went to Banggahan and sagyad yun siya or what? Feel like musagyad siya. This bike is not made for cornering. Even though it's a 300cc, you would really feel that. But easily it goes to 90 plus uphill, max throttle. Yep, that's definitely scraping. That's not even a tight, that's not really grabe mo corner, no? Sakto lang na lean with a little bit of body position. With a little bit of body position, guys. Uy, shit. Grabe. I'm not intentionally trying to lean the bike. I'm even putting body position. So this bike or scooter is not really made for cornering. Chill rider dyan. Okay, can't overtake there. Of course, 300cc, we can accelerate quick up to 90. Oh shoot, grabe. Uy, kasagyan yun. I don't know if you can hear it. Kanino outer lagi ko para lang dili kay ko grabe mulin. Madudog ko pakusog. Very low ground clearance siya. Huh? Ba't lingaw eh, lingaw. And you don't see much people have this bike. If you want a bike na you don't have similar bikes kayo, you want to be different, you want to get this bike, this scooter, premium classic scooter, diba? Yeah, comes with a price. Comes with a price. And ooh, every corner, guys, every corner it's scraping. Fuck. Every corner, even in Paintrihan, sayad yapon, even though it's very slow na ang dagan. Brakes wise, nice man. Let me see if may ABS ba to. ABS ba to? Na ABS. First to arrive. Grabe gano'n eh, musag yan. Bugat kayo. Musag yan siya. Maski sa paintrihan. Musag yan or mo, I think kani, dere. Kani eh.
Oh, gray?
Sagyad yun. Musagyad. Kani center stand no? Na script. Maski hinay ra.
Ang clearance kani oh, musilig na po.
Oh.
Center stand mo musigiran ka.
Sige ko lagi. Wait king.
Ang sa right, okay lang clear sa right. Ang sa left lang gid mo.
Left and right ko. Bugat mo go. Pero lamig yung feeling sa throttle kanang premium kay ba? Premium yung feeling ba? Yang uphill 90, 100 blah.